Elephants Cannot Dance by Layla Welborn. Gerald! Let's dance. I can teach you. I'm teaching all my friends. I would love to learn how to dance. But elephants cannot dance. You are kidding me. No. Look it up. Piggy 11. Gerald, it did not say that you can try. You are right, Piggy. I can try to dance. I will try to dance. Zip. Let's dance. Oof. Okay, let's go. Jump with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Jump. We're a little late on the jump. I was a little late on the jump. We will try again. We will try again. Move your arms this way. We will try again. We will try again. Lift your legs this way. Up, up, down, down. Spin, spin. Stop, stop. Forward. Forward. Back, back. Wiggle wobble, wiggle wobble. Robot walk, robot walk. Enough! I have tried, grr, grr. I have tried again. I have tried, grr, 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 grr. I have tried again, grr, 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 grr. Plop. Oh, Gerald. Ha ha ha. We are ready to learn some moves. I am sorry I can't teach you. No, my friend is sad. Silly, we do not want you to teach us. We want to learn from the elephant. Teach me, please. Me too, me 3. Move faster. Keep trying. You are getting it. Grr, 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 grr.